I'm gonna close the trade now. I made $422 without broker commission. Well, that's a good trade.
Flashback.
Hello everyone, welcome to Trading Nerds. In this video I will show you how did I exactly put that live trade using multi-time frame Heikin Ashi strategy. And I'm going to backtest this strategy 100 times. This strategy is very profitable and signals can be found every day. I use 3 time frames to identify overall trend direction and confirm the right signal. As a result of using 3 time frames, this strategy produces better opportunities. Before we get into the video, you can support me by subscribing and turning on notification. You will also not miss any future uploads. I will quickly explain indicators I use for this strategy. I have opened 3 charts. This is only a daily time frame and no indicators are used for it. This is a Heikin Ashi technique, so I have switched from a standard candlestick chart to a Heikin Ashi chart. This is a 4-hour chart with Heikin Ashi candlesticks and a 14-period exponential moving average. I made no changes, these are the default settings. However, I increased the line's thickness. This is a 1-hour Japanese candlestick chart. I use this chart instead of a Heikin Ashi chart because the actual price is different in Heikin Ashi candles. By the way, I uploaded a video that covers a lot about Heikin Ashi, including almost everything for beginners. If you're unfamiliar with the Heikin Ashi chart properly, I recommend you watch this video. The link is in the description. I've added a 14-period RSI indicator to the 1-hour chart with the default settings, but I have disabled the smoothing line. If you are using the MetaTrader 4, I'll show you exactly how to set up charts like this. These are the same charts we discussed a moment ago. This is a helpful indicator that allows me to switch between currency pairs. Every pair I've opened in the symbols panel is displayed here. You can download these indicators and templates in my Telegram channel, link in the description. In order to install indicators, go to File and open the Data folder. Copy template file and paste into that folder. Go to the MQL4 and paste the indicator folder. After copying the files, restart the MT4. After that you have to load the templates. Right-click on the chart and load each template. You only need to do this once because you can switch symbols from this panel. The rules for buying are simple. Yesterday's or the previous day's daily candle should have been bullish. I don't trade on smaller body candles, such as dojis, because the price of these candles indicates a market that is in a sideways state. I'm gonna put a trade on March 18th, the March 17th daily candle is bullish, so the trade signal is valid in daily time frame. The first or second 4-hour candle of the day in the Asian session should close above the 14-period moving average. This candle has started at 12 AM and closed at 4 AM, so technically this is the 4 AM candle. If these 2 conditions are showing in the charts, you can find a long position in the 1-hour time frame. The RSI line on the 1-hour chart should be above 50 and below 70, between these 2 levels. RSI line breaks above at this point, so I took the trade. Stop loss below swing low. Profit target is 1 to 1.5 from the risk, but if the RSI line touches 70 line, I will exit the trade. It indicates that the price has been overbought and that the price may fall. The sell rules are the opposite of the buy rules. The previous day candle should be a red candle. The first or second 4-hour candle in the Asian session should close below the 14-period moving average. If these 2 conditions are showing in the charts, you can find a short position in the 1-hour time frame. The RSI line on the 1-hour chart should be below 50 and above 30 lines, between these 2 levels. At the 4 AM, RSI line is still above to middle 50 line, so I wait until the RSI breaks below 50 line. Here it breaks below, so I took the trade. Stop loss above swing high. Profit target is 1 to 1.5. Keep in mind that I do not trade doji type candles in the daily time frame. I skip the trade and look for an opportunity in another market. Let's take a look at how this strategy performed in live trading. It will provide you a clear picture of the strategy rules. Today is April 18th and 2:43 am, 5 AM my broker time. First 4-hour candle is closed, now I'm looking for a trade. Yesterday's daily candle is bearish, so the daily time frame confirmed the signal. 4-hour candle closed below the exponential moving average. This time frame also confirms the signal. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. RSI line is below the 50 level, So all 3 time frames are signaling a sell trade. I'm gonna go ahead and put the trade. I'm risking 2% of my account balance. I'm gonna drag the stop loss above swing high. My risk-reward ratio is 1 to 1.5. I'm risking $520 to make $773. Even if you have a smaller account balance, don't put more than 5% of it at risk. Let's wait few hours and see what will happen.
A few moments later. Approximately 10 hours later.
RSI line is hitting the oversold line. This might be indicating a reversal. Also, this candle has stuck at the previous support level for a while, so the price can rise above. Exit rules are showing in the chart, and I stick with strategy rules. I'm gonna close the trade now. I made $422 without broker commission. I'm going to backtest this strategy 100 times on the pound-dollar currency pair. I will take 100 trades and see how this strategy has performed in the past. Don't trade when the high-impact news is going to be released, because high-impact news can affect the daily chart and change the overall trend direction. Always check the economic calendar before entering the trade. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification. This was done with the daily time frame, which makes it perfect for the average person who just doesn't want to spend a bunch of time on the charts, or simply can't because they have a full-time job. Something like this only requires a 10-minute, 15-minute scan per day, and that's it. You don't need to spend any more time looking for signals or messing with your trades. So this is really catered towards the average person out there, since 99% of people can't just spend their whole day looking for signals on the chart. Okay, the results are in after the 100 tests, and they're good, so let's check it out now. This was done using a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio on pound against the US dollar. And it took 300 days of price data to find the 100 trade signals, which is actually very good for a 1-hour time frame. There were 82 winners and 18 losses. This is really good win rate because our risk reward ratio is 1 to 1.5. The most won in a row was 7, and the most lost in a row was 3. The gain on the account was 96%, and that's risking 1% per trade. That means you can double your account just risking 1% of your account balance. If you risk 5% per trade, you can make a lot of money from this strategy. This is only tested on one currency pair, so of course you're going to be trading probably around more than 2 currency pairs or even more. You're actually going to have very significant gains. If you found value, support me by subscribing to our channel and hit the bell icon, so you don't miss out when we upload next videos. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to leave us a like. See you, take care.